Hey guys, how you doing today? So I've got a tool review today. This is a 1,100 pound hoist slash winch, little portable unit. So, well, let me get it out of the box and we're going to take a look at this. Then it does come with a strap here. It is remote control. You can also manually control it. So we're going to give that a shot. It comes with a wired controller. And I believe, yeah, it's got a trigger on the handle so you can just do it straight from the unit. Also comes with a attach lug. So if you needed to screw this up into a rafter or something, you're good to go. 120 volts, so you got to use an extension cord or plug it in. Well, they sent an extra pair of brushes. Now, it also has this button right here to where whenever this gets, if you've got it hanging from a rafter, or even if you're using it horizontally, whenever this plate right here contacts that, it'll shut it off. That way you can't just keep winching it in and break something. Obviously, you can pick it up by the handle. There's the bottom. You got an opening so you can kind of see your cable. The company is NEWTRY, I guess is the way they pronounce that. Electric hoist. Actually, you got an email address right here on the unit. There's your connector for the cabled switch. And then, of course, oh, there's already a battery in it. So, yeah, let me get the cars set up, and we're going to get an extension cord, and we're going to hook this thing up, and we're going to see how it does. I think it said in the book 16 foot worth of cable is what you've got on this. And this is the setup we got. Hooked up down there to this tow hook. And I'm also going to measure the current that this thing pulls whenever it's coming up that slope. Okay, here we go. And I'm using the wireless remote. And there it is. It hit the stop, it shut off, got the truck pulled up the driveway. You've got a max of 16 feet of cable. And remember, this is a hoist slash winch. It's more for a hoist. And a hoist does not have a free spool to where you can unlock the spool and pull it out like you can a winch. You've got to motor it out and then motor it back in. So motoring it out is not a fast process. But if you've got it hanging, you know, from a gantry or a hook in the ceiling or a joist, that's what you want. Anyway, nice little hoist slash winch, 1,100 pounds. I wish I had a load cell to where I could tell how much weight was actually on it coming up the driveway, but the max amount of current that it pulled was 7 amps. Any 110 outlet will support that. Anyway, if you guys need a little winch or a hoist, a little portable unit, take a look at this one. It might do you good. Anyway, you guys take care. We'll see you.